Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area, Class 9 Chemistry. Lesson 2. Each matter around us pure. In a previous part of the video, we are discussing about the separation of two miscible liquids by the process of simple distillation. Now, if two miscible liquids having the boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin, then we cannot make use of simple distillation. Rather, we have to use the fractional distillation process. So, in this process, all the apparatus setup is same, only there is a one, here you see the fractionating column is set up between the distillation flask and the condenser. What I say? What is the difference between the simple distillation and fractional distillation? There is only, all the setup is same. All the apparatus setup is same, only there is a one fractionating column is provided here between the distillation flask and the condenser. In a fractionating column, glass beads are put inside so that this vapor gets a surface area where the vapor can condense and convert into the liquid form. So it means it provides a cooling area. It decreases the kinetic energy of the liquid. Also, the second objective of providing the fractionating column, that since the difference of the boiling point of two liquid is less than 25 Kelvin, so there is a possibility that the less volatile liquid also some amount can convert into the vapor form. But the liquid which have little higher boiling point, their liquid vapor has a less kinetic energy. As it rises up, their kinetic energy reduces. Again, that those liquid vapor come back into the distillation plant. So please, my dear students, make it very much clear. As I said, in a simple distillation and fractional distillation, there is a basic difference in a apparatus is that here a fractionating column is set up between the distillation flask and the condenser. The objective, as I said, in a fractionating column, the glass beads are put inside the fractionating column so that it provides a surface area for the vapor to convert into the liquid form. One. The second, as I said, we are doing the separation process of two miscible liquid which have boiling point less than 25 Kelvin. So sometimes what happens due to less difference of boiling point between two liquids, the second liquid which have little higher boiling point as compared to the first one, that those liquid also convert into vapor form, but their kinetic energy of the vapor is little less as compared to the liquid one which has lower boiling point. So as the second liquid vapor rises up due to less kinetic energy, again this vapor comes back. Only the liquid which have lower boiling point rises up and comes into the passes through the condenser, where cold water is injected inside the jacket, so that this the vapor convert into the liquid form. So here in a distillation class we have taken the water and alcohol. The mixture in a distillation flask, we have taken the water and alcohol. And as we know that the pure water has a boiling point 100 degree Celsius. And the ethyl alcohol has a boiling point 78 degree Celsius. So here two liquids are here and both are miscible with each other. So now alcohol has a lesser boiling point as compared to water. In a distillation flask there is a fractionating column. In a fractionating column there is a thermometer. The heat is provided by the Bunsen burner. When your heat continue takes place, then a temperature, keep the temperature around 80 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches 80 degrees, above 75 to 80 degree, then one thing is very much keep it in mind that temperature should be controlled. Temperature should not go beyond 80 degree Celsius. That's why we are here installed fixed one thermometer so that the temperature can be controlled by watching it. So now when the temperature reaches between 75 to 80 degree, then we see that vapor starts to form and the vapor rises up and it passes through the condenser, where this alcohol vapor convert into the liquid, and here there is a receiver where we can collect the alcohol. There is a possibility that some of the water may also convert into water vapor, but that water vapor has a less kinetic energy. As it rises up, due to less kinetic energy, it comes back. So only the ethyl alcohol will have at that temperature means around 80 degrees Celsius, that vapor has a high kinetic energy which is capable of moving up through the fractionating column and it goes through the condenser. And in a condenser, cold water is injected and hot water is outlet. Hot water outlet. So this process continuously takes place. When the ethyl alcohol starts to convert into vapor form, the temperature also remains constant. That is also one indicator that alcohol is converted into the vapor form. And because as we know that when one state of a matter change into another state of matter, the temperature remains constant. When the temperature remains constant, it shows that this liquid is converted into the vapor form. So this is called fractional distillation. This is the process through which we can separate two miscible liquid which have difference of boiling point less than 25 Kelvin. The name of the process is fractional distillation. Okay, so we have discussed already how to separate two miscible liquids whose difference of the boiling point between the two liquids is less than 25 Kelvin. So okay, thank you, have a nice day.